A 4-year-old insists that the moon follows her wherever she goes. So what concept best explains this? Okay, letter A ba? Egocentric thinking. Letter B ba? Animistic thinking. Letter C ba? Magical thinking. Or letter D? Symbolic representation. Okay, so huwag kalimutan sa pagsagot po dito sa ating live na item number that the letter of your choice. Letter B is the correct choice. 6-year-old Ella looks out the window at night and sees a bright star. She closes her eyes and says, I wish for a puppy. If I wish really hard, the star will give it to me. In an instant, meron agad magic yan. When playing hide and seek, 4-year-old Mia covers her eyes and says, you can see me. Sabi niya, kasi wala siya nakikita. Yung feeling niya, yung ibang tao, yung ibang bata around her, wala din nakikita. Okay, that is very good. Egocentric thinking naman po ang situation number 2. So, 4-year-old Mia is playing in her room. She picks up a wooden block and holds it to her ear, saying, hello, Grandma, I'm talking on the phone. Okay, symbolic. 4-year-old Leo, pinagalitan yung kanyang laruan. So, binigyang buhay niya yung laruan niya. Okay, that is animistic.